Hello friends, Sanjay Purohit here from Sanket Study Center. We would like to see the sermon at Banaras from First Flight Book, chapter number 10. Sources, Betty Renzo, Values and Voices, a college reader, 1975. If we can consider, Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC at Lumbini. He was known by many names such as Prince Siddharth, Siddharth Gautama, Sakyamuni, and the ultimate name Mahatma Buddha. He was called Lord Buddha after he attained enlightenment, and his father was Suddhodana, the king of Kapilavastu. Mother Maya died when he was just 7 years old, and he was brought up with love and affection by his father. When he was 12 years old, he was sent away to school to learn the Hindu scripture. After 4 years, he returned and was married to Princess Yasodhara because he was basically prince. They had a son. He was happy, married, and didn't know anything about life's difficulty such as sickness, old age, death, or funeral ceremony. When he was 25 years old, first time he went out for hunting. On his way, what he had seen? He saw a sick man and he came to know about sickness. Then he saw an old man. He knew about the old age. And at last, he saw a dead man's funeral procession. He became very sad because life has end also. He could not able to sleep. At last, he saw a monk who was begging for alms matlab ke bhik mangna. These sights changed his mind and he decided to find the solution of this problem and became a monk. The prince turned sadhu sages, wandering, roaming, moving about for 7 years, and at last was determined to sit in meditation under a peepal tree, right? Under he got enlightenment. After the continuous meditation for 7 long years, he got spiritual knowledge and he renamed the tree as Bodhi Vruksh, Bodhi tree, tree of wisdom. And after this, he started preaching. जो ऊपर का lecture है, उसके followers, इसके disciple, जो sermon मतलब के speech regarding this knowledge, preaching, and became famous as Buddha. He gave his first sermon talking about death as a suffering which is difficult to understand, highly philosophically, in fact, right? ऐसा माना जाता है. Now, what happened to him later on? When Gautam Buddha preached his first sermon at Banaras on the bank of the river Gange, right, very holy and very pious, right? He told Gautam Buddha preach his first sermon over there. The story about a lady named Kisa Gautami. यहाँ से main chapter start होता है, character start होता है. Whose only son died, solitary, solo son died. She wanted to bring him back to life, so she requested people for some medicine to revive him, right? तो उसको पुनः जीवित करने के लिए, right? उसने बहुत सारा begging किया, बहुत सारे लोगों को पूछा. She wanted to bring him back. Had gone mad, but she continued asking for help. A man told her that Sakyamuni, that is Lord Buddha, could cure her son. Kisa Gautami reached Lord Buddha, requested him to cure her dead son, and he thought for a while, and what he did, right? Asked her to bring a handful of mustard seed. थोड़ा राई के दाने लेके आओ from the house where no one had ever died. वो घर से दाने लेके आओ जहां से कोई भी मरा नहीं हो. The lady went begging door to door for mustard seed. She could not find such a house where no one had ever died. कोई ना कोई तो मरा ही होगा. पूर्वज, grandfather, उसके grandfather, right, forefather वगैरह, right? So ऐसा करते करते, right, वो सब घर निकल गई. And she remained hopeless. She became very sad and sat the voice of her sat down the wayside. Soon it got dark. She saw the flickering light of the city. उसने देखा क्या? A flickering light of the city, and she heard the voice of her conscience. उसके अपने आत्मा की आवाज सुनी. We told her that what she had realized, right, who had surrendered Buddha, one selfishness could easily get immortality. वो उसको भान पड़ा, right? Life में end तो होना ही है. It was the only part to be happy in this world, right? You should believe that those who are born, they must die. Buddha told her that human life was brief, but it was trouble with pain and sorrow. Everyone, everyone who is born had to face it. Death is inescapable. आप उससे छूट नहीं सकते, आप उसके भाग नहीं सकते. All those who are born have to die. As the earthen vessel made by a potter end up being broken, so also those who are born have to die. ये उसने preach या तो संदेशा दिया. Buddha said that there was no use grieving, sorrow, sulky, glooming, and it actually increased pain and made the body suffer. It made people sick and pale, and yet the dead could never be brought back to the life. हमारे रोने धोने से वो आत्मा वापिस हो जाए तो बहुत सारा रो, ऐसा बताते थे लॉर्ड बुद्धा. One who follows calmness will be free from sorrow and always be blessed. ऐसा लॉर्ड बुद्धा का मानना था, right? Now, अब जो हम लोग चैप्टर देखेंगे, राइट, वो तो समरी मैंने आपको बता दिया, राइट. समवेयर आप लोग देखें, what is sermon? तो preaching, it is a different form of a lecture or a talk. Can this word also be used in negative way or as a joke? No, right? अब हम लोग यहां से चैप्टर देखेंगे. गौतम बुद्धा 563 BC to 483 BC. आप ऐसा मत समझना कि पहले मर गए और बाद में जिंदा हुए. बीसी मतलब बिफोर क्राइस्ट, और 563 मतलब नंबर लाइन जैसा है मैथ्स में. -3 की वैल्यू -1 से कम है, वैसे 563 BC की वैल्यू 483 से कम है. मतलब के राइट, अगर आप देखेंगे तो 563 पहले आया, फिर नेगेटिव मार्किंग में और चलता गया. बीसी मतलब बिफोर क्राइस्ट और एडी मतलब आफ्टर द डेथ. ऐसे राइट दो वर्जन है. तो ऐसा आप लोग समझ लेना जिनको समझ में नहीं आया हो, राइट. तो गौतम बुद्धा began life as a prince named Siddhartha Gautama in a northern India. At 12, he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scripture, जो मैंने आपको समरी में बताया. 4 years later, right, he returned home to marry a princess. कितने साल में? 12 साल में. They had a son and lived for 10 years a befitted royalty. एक रॉयल लाइफ जिया. किंग था ना, प्रिंस था. And at about the age of 25, the prince heretofore मतलब hereafter, henceforth, shielded from the suffering of the world. उसने क्या देखा कि लोग कैसे कैसे पीड़ा, यातनाएं, सफरिंग से गुजर रहे हैं, राइट. वो 16 year married to Yasodhara and they had a son, right. मदर का नाम मैंने आपको बताया था माया, और मदर मर गई थी, died at a 7 age, right. So just a minute. So at about the age of 25, Prince heretofore, henceforth, shielded from the suffering of the world. उसको पता चला while out hunting, chance upon a sick man. उसने क्या देखा, right? एक sick man को देखा, right? Who was ill. Then an aged man, right? Then a funeral procession. Finally, monk, sadhu, sant, sages, begging for alms. Alms मतलब कि वो भीख मांगते हैं ना वो. This sight so moved him that he at once, immediately, went out into the world to seek enlightenment. Enlightenment, a state of highly spiritual knowledge, concerning the sorrows, the grief, the people suffering from what he had witnessed, जो उसने देखा. He wandered, roaming, moving for 7 long years, and finally sat down under a peepal tree. पीपल ट्री के नीचे एक मेडिटेशन के लिए बैठ गए. Where he vowed मतलब के, right, to take a vow, प्रतिज्ञा लेना, right, to take something resolution to stay until enlightenment. Generally, something you get from inside, something you get from your own, right, knowledge, spiritual knowledge. Enlightenment. After 7 days, he renamed a tree. उसने नाम दिया ट्री का, आज भी बहुत मशहूर है, बोधि गया में बोधि वृक्ष, बोधि tree, tree of wisdom, and began to teach and to share his new understandings. At that point, he became known as Lord Buddha, Buddha, the awakened or enlightened. Sermon, that is a preaching, religious preaching, moral talk, right? And Buddha preached his first sermon, first religious talk at the city of Banaras. Banaras is a very holy place because it is lying on the bank of river Gange, right? It is considered to be one of the holiest city. So first sermon at the city of Banaras, most holy of the dipping place on the river Ganges. And sermon, that is preaching, religious talk, has been preserved over here and is given here. It reflects the Lord Buddha's wisdom about one inscrutable, highly mysterious, something which cannot be understood, something that is unable to understand by many kind of suffering. लोग ये ऐसे भुगतते क्यों हैं? Why they are suffered? Why they are having grief? Why they are a sorrow, suffering from gloomy and sulky situation? वो generally लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है जब तक कि वो वहां से सफर नहीं करे. The real chapter start from here. Kisa Gautami had an only son, solitary son, solo son, एक ही पुत्र, and he died. In the olden days, कोई छोटे मोटे डिजीज से भी मर जाते थे और इन्फेंटाइल रेशियो काफी था, छोटे बच्चे काफी मर जाते थे, right? In her grief, she carried the dead child to all her neighbors, asking them for medicine, right? अब जैसे कि माँ तो एकदम बावरी सी हो जाती है, पागल सी हो जाती है, इंसेन हो जाती है, और मरे हुए बच्चों को भी बाजू में ले जाके उसकी मेडिसिन मांगती थी. Asking them for medicine, and the people said, she has lost her sense. She became insane. The boy is already dead. At length, Kisa Gautami met a man who replied to her request. चलो एक ने तो उसको properly answer दिया, बाकी सब तो बोल रहे हैं औरत पागल है, इसको पता नहीं चल रहा है उसका लड़का मर गया है. Even then, I cannot give thee medicine for thy child. ये old version of English का है, right? अगर ये पोएम होती तो हम लोग दी दाई के लिए एपोस्ट्रॉफी लगा देते, ये वर्जन को एपोस्ट्रॉफी एड्रेसिंग, पर यहाँ पे प्रोजेक वर्जन है. तो आई कैनॉट गिव दी मेडिसिन फॉर दाई चाइल्ड, बट आई नो अ फिजिशियन हु कैन. बट मैं एक ऐसे आदमी को जानता हूं जो तुम्हारे बच्चों को दवाई दे सकता है. तो खुश हो गई कि चलो कोई ना कोई तो जिंदा करेगा मेरे बेटे को. एंड द गर्ल सेड, प्रे टेल मी सर, हु इज इट? कौन है वो, कृपया करके बताओ. And the man replied, go to Sakya Muni, the Lord Buddha, Gautam Buddha, right? The Lord Buddha. ऐसा बताया. सक्य मुनि उसका एक नाम था, सिद्धार्थ नाम था. कीसा गौतमी repaired to the Buddha and cried. Repaired मतलब कि यहाँ पे, right? Went to. ये generally different way to use this word, इसीलिए लिखा है a stylistic use, मतलब कि different way to use. So repaired to Buddha, went to Buddha and cried, "Oh Lord, oh Master, oh God, give me the medicine that will cure my boy." मेरे बच्चे को ठीक कर सके ऐसी कोई मेडिसिन दो. Buddha answered, "I want a handful of mustard seed." मुझे एक मुट्ठी भर राई का दाना चाहिए, वो लेके आओ. But condition applied. क्या condition applied? When the girl in her joy promised to procure means to get. Buddha added, भाई बराबर सुनती जाओ किसा गौतमी, mustard seed must be taken from a house where no one has lost a child, husband, parent or friend. मुझे वो घर से मुट्ठी भर राय के दाने चाहिए जहां पे एक भी आदमी मरा नहीं हो, न तो चाइल्ड, न तो हस्बैंड, न तो पेरेंट, न तो फ्रेंड, न तो फादर, न तो मदर, राइट? कोई भी मरा हो वो नहीं चलेगा. ऐसा घर से आप मस्टर्ड लेके आओ जहां पे कोई भी मरा नहीं हो. इट वाज क्वाइट इम्प्रोबेबल, क्योंकि फॉर फादर, इसके फादर कहीं ना कहीं तो मरे हैं ना लोग. So it was the condition that mustard seed must be taken from a house where no one has lost a child, husband, parent or friend. वो तो खुशी खुशी पहले तो चली गई. Poor Kisha Gautami now went from house to house and people pitied her and said, here is a mustard seed, take it, le lo. But when she asked, did a son or a daughter or a father or a mother die in your family? They answered her, alas, the living are few, but the dead are many. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है. इसके ऊपर से आपको राइट क्वेश्चन आंसर भी पूछते हैं. सब लोगों ने देने की तो शुरुआत की कि मस्टर्ड दे देते हैं, बट काउंटर क्वेश्चन पूछा कि क्या आपके घर में कोई मरा हुआ है, डॉटर, फादर, मदर, फ्रेंड, कोई भी सन, राइट? तो उन लोगों ने आंसर दिया, अलास, सो सैड, लिविंग आर फ्यू, राइट? जिंदा कम है, आगे की हिस्ट्री मरे हुए की ज्यादा है. डू नॉट रिमाइंड अस ऑफ आवर डीपेस्ट ग्रीफ, सॉरो, हमारे पुराने जख्म को मत दोहराओ, राइट? खरोचो मत. And there was no house, but some beloved one had died in it. कोई भी ऐसा घर नहीं था कि जहाँ पे कोई मरा नहीं हो, जहाँ पे कोई beloved उनका मरा नहीं हो. Right? That was quite piteous. Kisa Gautami became very tired and hopeless, without any hope, and sat down at the wayside, watching the lights of the city. अब वो निराश हो गई, उसके पास कोई होप नहीं रहा, तो वो देखने लगी. As they flickered up, light को देखती गई. Flickered up and were extinguished again, right? Flickered up and extinguished again. Flickered मतलब ऐसे sparkling होना, right? Flicker. Extinguished मतलब put off, बुझ जाना. Extinguished, put off, flickered, sparkle. At last, the darkness of the night, rain everywhere. Rain मतलब के ruled, REIGNED, raining. वो rain बारिश वाला नहीं. Rain मतलब के rule everywhere. And she considered the fate of man. उसने आदमी का future देखा, आदमी का भविष्य देखा, destiny देखा, fate देखा. That their lives flicker up and are extinguished again. उनकी लाइफ भी ऐसी है, कभी स्पार्कल होती है, कभी पुट ऑफ हो जाती है. एंड शी थॉट टू हरसेल्फ, उसने अपने आप को मिल गया ना सॉल्यूशन. तो स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, इफ यू वर्क हार्ड, अब लगे रहते हो तो आपको सॉल्यूशन मिलना ही है. हाउ सेल्फिश एम आई इन माई ग्रीफ, मैं मेरे सैडनेस में, मेरी ग्लूमीनेस में, मेरी सल्कीनेस में, मेरे सोरोनेस में मैं कितनी सेल्फिश हो गई. दैट इज कॉमन टू ऑल, दैट इज इनएविटेबल, इट इज मस्ट. जो जिंदा है वो मरेगा. Yet in this valley of desolation, desolation मतलब an area which is filled with deep sorrow, there is a path that leads him to immortality. Immortality मतलब के something that is never died, and mortal मतलब that bound to die. किसी का भी immortal होना impossible है. Who has surrendered all selfishness, सभी जिसने अपनी सभी सेल्फिशनेस छोड़ दी हो, वो इमॉर्टल कहलाता है. The Buddha said the life of mortals in this world is trouble and brief and combined with pain. लॉर्ड बुद्धा ने क्या प्रीचिंग किया, क्या सरमन दिया, क्या लेक्चर दिया कि लाइफ ऑफ मॉर्टल, ह्यूमन बीइंग इज मॉर्टल, बाउंड टू डाई इन दिस वर्ल्ड, इज ट्रबल्ड, राइट, एंड ब्रीफ and combined with pain. Our life is associated with pain, with trouble, right? And it is a mixture of joy and sorrow. You have to bear it. For there, so life is not easy. For that it is not easy means by which those that have been born can avoid dying. जिन लोगों ने जन्म लिया, राइट, उनको तो मरना है. इट इज इनएविटेबल, दैट इज इनएविटेबल. Those who born, they bound to die. After reaching old age, there is death. Of such a nature are living beings. As ripe fruits are early in danger of falling. जो पके हुए फल है वो तो गिरेंगे ही पेड़ से. So mortal when born always in danger of death. What a preaching, right? The way of preaching is good. सीधे सीधे नहीं बताया, right? Through example and through watching and observation बताया. As all earthen vessel, जो कुंभार होता है, पॉटर होता है, earthen vessel जो बनाता है, right? By the potter and in being broken, वो कभी ना कभी तो टूटेंगे. So is the life of mortal. Mortal की life भी ऐसी ही है. Once they born means they may die, right? They have to die, in fact. Both young and adult, both those who are full and those who are wise. मतलब fools भी मरेंगे, wise भी मरेंगे, young भी मरेंगे, adult भी मरेंगे. They all fall into the power of death. All are subject to death, and death is how inevitable. One must understand that those who have taken birth, they bound to die. One should consider this motive, right, into their mind. Nobody is immortal, right? Everybody is mortal. King Ravan thought, right? बहुत सारे लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा कि हम लोग अमर हो जाए, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Of those who overcome by death, depart from life, a father cannot save his son. पापा अपने बच्चे को नहीं बता सकते. Nor kinsman, बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है. Kith and kin, relatives and friends. Kinsman मतलब के relative. Their relations mark, while relatives are looking on and lamenting, weeping, crying. Deeply, one by one mortals are carried off. एक के बाद एक, right? उनको ले लेते हैं, like an ox that is led to the slaughter house. कितने अच्छे अच्छे एग्जाम्पल दिए, जैसे कि बुलॉक को या तो ऑक्स को स्लॉटर हाउस में ले जाके कैसे मारते हैं. धीरे धीरे सब रिलेटिव वो क्राई तो कर रहे हैं, डीपली, राइट, वीपिंग, क्राइंग, लैमेंटिंग. When one by one mortal they are carried off. But so the word is afflicted. Afflicted with means affected by suffering, by pain, disease, something that happening to their body, and decay. Decay means death. Therefore the wise do not grieve, knowing the terms of the word. इसलिए जो wise man है वो ग्रीफ नहीं करते, सोरो नहीं करते, लेमेंटिंग नहीं करते, वीपिंग नहीं करते, क्राइंग नहीं करते. वो एडप्ट कर लेते हैं सिचुएशन के, ऐसा तो होना ही है, मोर और लेस, सूनर और लेटर. नॉट फ्रॉम वीपिंग नॉर फ्रॉम ग्रीविंग, न तो रोने धोने से न तो दुख जताने से विल एनीवन ऑब्टेन पीस ऑफ माइंड. क्या वो रोने धोने से आदमी आ जाएगा? क्या अपना दुख दर्द जताने से वो आदमी आ जाएगा? क्या हमको मेंटल पीस मिल सकेगी? ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, हिज पेन विल बी ग्रेटर एंड हिज बॉडी विल सफर. उसको खुद को ही दुख पहुंचेगा, उसकी बॉडी को ही दुख पहुंचेगा. ही विल बी गिविंग पेन टू हिमसेल्फ, राइट? Rather than weeping and grieving, one should keep his mind absolutely calm. So his pain may not increase. He will make himself sick and pale. वो अपने आप को ही sick बना देगा, right? वो अपने आप को ही sick बना देगा, ये situation में पेल कर देगा, grief में ला देगा, sorrow हो जाएगा, अपनी body को pain देगा. Yet the dead are not saved by this lamentation, but by crying, by weeping, by lamentation. That we cannot brought back that dead person. Never, never ever. He who seeks peace should draw out the arrow of lamentation. जो लोग को mental peace चाहिए, those who are searching for peace, seeking for peace, finding for peace, should draw out the arrow of lamentation. Means उनको ये groove में से, ग्रू ऑफ लेमेंटेशन, ग्रू ऑफ क्राइंग, ग्रू ऑफ वीपिंग में से बाहर आना चाहिए. एंड कंप्लेन एंड ग्रीफ, लेमेंटेशन, कंप्लेन, ग्रीफ, सॉरो, वो पूरे के विशियस सर्कल में से उसको बाहर आना पड़ेगा. देन एंड देन ही विल गेट मेंटल पीस. ही हु हैज ड्रॉन आउट द एरो एंड हैज बिकम कंपोज, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, कामनेस, विल ऑब्टेन पीस ऑफ माइंड. He who has overcome these all difficulties, who has overcome from this lamentation, grief, sadness, gloominess, sulkiness, complaining, grievances, right? Who has overcome all sorrow will become free from sorrow and definitely be blessed. I told you in the beginning itself, source Betty Renso, right? Value and Voices, College Leader 1975. Okay? Earlier on, I mentioned you guys that this chapter is right fantastic because Lord Buddha had preached that in such a way that one even, right, some philosophical idea, people will not accept it initially, but one can think it, right, very easily, and not only that, but very calmly with the thing. If we are lamenting on a dead body, it cannot be live, right? So sermon is a religious talk delivered by a prophet or saint. Here we have journey of Gautam Buddha from princehood to his saintly life, and he felt the palace, right? He not only that, but that is all worldly pleasure उसने छोड़ दिया, और people के पेड़ के नीचे उसने preaching दिया, right? And that's how he saw the right path like a torch bearer can do. Thank you very much. You must like my video, right? Those who like, they must share and subscribe. Keep watching my video. Thank you very much.